Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd, and this is my analysis for gold. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So I've been saying for a while gold is likely a wave B, and I still think that it definitely could be a wave B. Gold does like to make big pullbacks, so the fact that it went to the 88% of this move down doesn't really concern me too much. Plus, wave Bs can also make new highs, as in it can take out the high of the previous wave. So it doesn't really change the fact that this still could be a wave B, and we still could start a big downtrend at some point for a wave C. Definitely no signs of that wave C starting yet, though. So I definitely would still be looking primarily for longs on sort of time frames. So technically, I would have my Fibonacci set up like this. I would like to see a more proper three-way pullback like this right here. Nice little 1, 2, 3-way pullback like what happened yesterday. Even these little pullbacks are probably on like the 15-minute time frame with nice little three-way pullbacks, I bet. So I would like to see nice little three-way pullbacks. So if I get like a little 1, 2, 3 wave down to any one of these Fibonacci levels, and then in the golfing move to the upside, I would continue to look for longs. On the other hand, if it goes down and starts giving us a significant breakup structure, which is right here, that would be the evidence I would be looking for to tell me that the wave B on the daily really is over. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.